Yo, what is going on, guys? Scotty Restores Kicks, and in this video, we're going to ice up some Jordan 5s. This should be an easy ice up, but we're going to see that glacier freeze ice on the bottom of those shoes, so you're not going to want to miss this video. Check it out.
All I see is icy, icy. All I see is icy, icy. Scotty Restoring Kicks, and all I see is icy, icy. Whoa.
Alright guys, so I got the 5s right here. We're going to do the Stealth 5s right here, so 2.0 5s. These are not bad at all, as you can see. Got a little bit of yellow in it, not too bad. I can still see some of the where it was clear. So this should be an easy ice up, and we should be able to see that nice deep blue glacier freeze finish on the bottom of these. I got a crazy pickup on these. I got these for $100 from a local meetup, and super happy with it because this is the only issue is the bottoms, and there's a little bit on one of the fins on the side, which I'm going to be able to fix that up myself. But yeah, that's the bottoms of it. We're going to ice these up. Now, before we ice these up, I have two things I want to talk about. One, the UV light I'm using to ice up these shoes is currently on sale for 20% off in my store. All you gotta do is go to the link in the description. These lights have been selling like crazy. I'm glad I'm able to help you guys out. Everyone has been having nothing but success using these lights, so you're not gonna wanna miss out on an opportunity. 20% off to get this UV light. Again, this is the best one out there, and all you have to do is go to the link in my description, and I've been having these in stock for you, ready to buy. Now, the other thing is, if you want some tips and tricks on how to clean your Jordans or anything to do with sneaker content, all you got to do is go to the link in the description and join our community. In this community, I will be sending out weekly emails, which will be giving you tips and tricks on cleaning your shoes or anything sneaker related. A lot of it will go back to my blog that I just started. So if you don't have time to watch a video, you can always go to the blog and you can check out some tips and tricks that I have for you on there with cleaning your shoes. It's sneakerallstars.com. But remember, if you want to be part of our community, we are just over 300 people in that community. Just go to the link in the description and put your email in, and then you'll be able to join the community. So now let's get into icing these 5s. Alright guys, so I finished icing the shoes. However, by the time I ended up recording this video, I had already sold the shoes. But don't worry, I did take a before and after picture so you can see the difference. So right here, you can see the before and after. Guys, we got these things nice and icy, glacier freeze back to it. Literally, I wasn't surprised because like I said, I already knew how good these could come out, and they did more than I expected. Even on the sides, like they just look brand new from the sides, and I loved it. It was perfect. I use them for coaching. I told you before in one of my other videos that every game I'm trying to have a new pair of shoes. So every week, that's why I'm having new videos now, because I'm getting new shoes to coach with, and I'm like, hey, I might as well make a video out of it. So with these shoes, I did the same thing. Iced them up, looked clean as heck, and yeah, got a good pair of shoes. Again, I only got those for $100, and after icing them up, they look great. Sold them for around $130, so I made about $30 profit. It's a good little flip. You know, wear them for a game, able to flip them. But yeah, that difference is insane, guys. But I told you, I'm not surprised. This light works. And again, you can use any sole sauce that you want to use. I use Salon Care 40 with this one, but I've used many different ones. So it really doesn't matter. But I'm telling you, this UV light is the best for it. And it just proves itself from every shoe that I've been doing, and other people who've been buying them has been using too. So remember, if you want to get a hold of one of those lights, all you gotta do is go to kickscrib.com or go to the link in the description. It'll bring you that right there. And until Christmas, it is 20% off. So do not miss your chance to get that light for 20% off. So you can ice your shoes just like these. So that's all I got for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, if you got any questions or video suggestions, please put them in the comments down below. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. And lastly, if you enjoy this channel and you want to see more videos like this, all you gotta do is subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the push notification button so you never miss an upcoming video. So Scotty Restores Kicks, and do you want to be icy? Well, it starts in the soul. I'm gonna see you next time.